Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. For the new people tuning in, today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Okay, so what I'm going to be using today is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. The first shade I'm going to go into is Clove. And I'm going to go in with the big blending brush. And I'm also going to bring you guys in a little bit closer. And I'm just grabbing a big blending brush and adding that right into the crease.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
I also wanted to say I'm sorry I haven't been uploading every Mondays and Fridays. I've been like so exhausted and busy with the whole new puppy, and plus my husband was on vacation for 2 weeks, and yeah, so all of that together I could only upload once a week, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna get back on track. And also, if you guys have like any other palettes in mind that you guys want me to review, please don't forget to leave it down in the comments section. Or any other looks or any other color scheme, whatever you guys want me to, I'll try. Now I'm gonna go in with Cinnamon. I'm also gonna add that with a blending brush, but this one is a smaller one. And I'm just gonna add that to the crease also.
And on we'll go.
This is my first time, like I got this on BoxyCharm. This is my first time trying this palette, and so far it's really good. I don't know why I never tried it. I'm just gonna go back in with the brush I used with the previous color with whatever is left on it, and I'm just gonna blend both shades together.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
Now I'm gonna go in with Poppy, and I'm just gonna add that to the inner corners.
Turn us to thousands.
Unite them here up on the top.
My shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and
then I'll also take a blending brush and start blending up here. And I also did add a little bit of that poppy color. Take a clean brush and start blending all of these shades together. And guys, like I said before, I am really amazed with these shadows. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Jasmine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to the middle. I'm just gonna use my finger.
it's what's left, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush that I used prior and just blend these out. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the bottom lash line. The first shade I'm gonna go in with is Cinnamon. Now I'm just gonna take Poppy.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't.
Alright, so now I'm also gonna line the waterline, and I'm going to put some lash glue on my lashes while they dry. I'm I'm gonna finish up my eye. So the lashes that I'm using today are the Kala lashes in cashmere, and the glue I'm using is the House of Lashes lash glue in clear. So to do like that little flick, I'm going to use the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen, and I'm gonna do that off camera. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my lashes. Alright, so while my lashes do dry, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my bottom lash line. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!